Okay, thank you. Now, coming on to the next point. Now, what is the next point? Let us write about chronological order. Let's understand what it is. Chronological order is the arrangement of events one after the other in the sequence in which they occur. What is chronological order? It is the arrangement of events in the sequence in which they occur.
Ma'am, done.
Everyone has done?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now write down the third point.
Ma'am, I'm writing.
No problem, beta.
Ma'am, this is answer the following question or key points.
Beta, these are key points. Beta, I told you not to write in the chat box. Shelly Gupta, you're not supposed to type in the chat box when I'm typing. Yes.
Right. I'm done.
Beta, I can't understand what you were saying.
I'm done.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, please send second question because I was disconnected, so I can't write.
Beta, first of all, these are not question answers. These are the key points of the chapter. Okay, these are the key points. Like how we did the key points of chapter 1, these are the key points of chapter number 2. Clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
There are two types of calendars, Gregorian calendar and Saka calendar.
Ma'am, I have done first, second, third.
Very nice. Now, write down the fourth point.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, please send me the yesterday's difficult word.
Okay, beta, I'll send you. Check your class group.
Ma'am, I got it.
The spelling of calendar is D-A-R. Okay, children, those who have written D-E-R, please make this correction better. Calendar is always D-A-R. What? D-A-R in the end. What am I doing? Here also I have written D-E-R. All the time I have written D-E-R. Please make it D-A-R, children. Now, the fourth point is the Gregorian calendar is the most commonly used calendar worldwide. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How many of you have seen a Saka calendar? The Indian national calendar.
Ma'am,
Tell me. No one has seen it.
no, Mama, I do not have.
All right, let me just show it to you. Maybe then you'll remember you've seen it.
Then we also have to send it.
No, beta. No, it is not yet over also. Just wait. Okay, see, I'm sharing screen with you. Just have a look at the calendar. How many of you have seen this kind of a calendar? It's opening.
Ma'am, I have seen.
Ma'am, I Ansh.
I have seen.
Yes, you have seen, no? Let it just
Ma'am, I
open.
Ansh.
Okay, see, here it is. We all have seen the Gregorian calendar, right?
Ma'am, I have this calendar that you show now.
Yes, most of us have it in our houses. This kind of a calendar.
Yes, ma'am. I have this in
Yes.
my home.
So here, what happens is the months, the days, and the holidays, they all are written in Hindi. There are Hindi names of months. In this chapter, we are going to study this only. Different things about calendars, different types of calendars, and also about other things, the years, how they were counted. Can I remove the screen? Now you remember, you all have seen Saka calendar.
Yes,
Ma'am, I
ma'am.
have this calendar. Ma'am, I have this calendar in my home.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Written these 5 points, all of you?
Yes,
Children,
ma'am.
who is your class teacher?
Ma'am, Pooja Malhotra.
Pooja, ma'am.
Pooja.
Pooja, ma'am.
Yes, Pooja, ma'am.
Okay. Then coming on to the next point. The Saka calendar is the Indian national calendar. After it, what we have, let me just see. Okay, now let's just explain both the calendars a little. Point number 6. Now, children, don't write any point. Just erase point number 6. What we'll do is, like how we did 3 periods of history, and we had explained 3 periods of history, right? This is how you're going to do. You will write the
Yes, ma'am.
you will write the heading in between Gregorian calendar. Okay? Got it? Because we will not talk about, we will write at least 5 points about the Gregorian calendar. So just write it as a heading. Yes?
So ma'am, we can send it.
Beta, you don't have to send it. It's a very lengthy chapter. Just wait. You have to write a lot.
Ma'am, in new page.
No, no, not a new page. Continue from the same page because it is the same chapter. No new page. After these 5 points, now leave one line. Write
Ma'am,
it.
but my page is full.
Then to beta, certainly you will have to write a new page now. Then you don't ask. After these 5 points, leave a line. Write down Gregorian calendar in the center. And now we will describe this calendar. What are the features of Gregorian calendar? Let's talk about it.
7 lines are left.
Gregorian calendar.
I'm written.
Written?
मम्मी
Mute
एक
yourself.
घंटे से बन नहीं पाई.
Mute yourself. Okay, the first point is it is also known as.
Ma'am, what is the heading?
The heading is beta. The heading was key points. Okay, we have written 5 key points. Now, after these 5 key points, we are explaining the Gregorian calendar. Okay, we are writing down a few features of a Gregorian calendar. So, after these 5 points, write down Gregorian calendar, underline it, highlight it, and then we are going to write at least 5 points about this calendar. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Good. Then it is also known as Western or Christian calendar. Point number 1. Okay, see in the chat box. It is also known as the Western or Christian calendar. It is a solar.
Ma'am, we have to write it.
Yes, of course you have to write it. We are writing it down as the key points, like we did it in the previous chapter, beta.
Ma'am, written.
Let everybody write.
Solar calendar divided into 10. Divided into 12 months.
Into how many months a calendar is divided?
12
12
months.
Very good.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Now one more point about it, which is now what is a calendar based on? It is
calendar is based on days and months.
yes, it is based, it is divided into okay, beta, it is divided
12
into it is divided.
12 months.
So what are these 12 months based on? A calendar is divided into 12 months, but how do we calculate these months? What is the calculation based on? So in this point we are going better days. Now how, what is a day based on? Is it related to the revolution and rotation of the earth?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
We learned in
Yes,
the
ma'am.
previous class, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is based on, what are these calendars based on? This point will tell us what, how we calculate it. So write it down. It is based on
Ma'am, after it is based on
the time taken by the earth to complete
Ma'am, please.
ma'am, after complete.
now see, it is in the chat box. Everybody see.
I'm done.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
you have written wrong 356 days.
Oh,
365 days.
365. Sorry, children. Sorry. Please make it correct. 365 days. It's just a typing error. It is based on the time taken by the earth to complete one revolution around the
Ma'am,
sun. That is
Sun.
365.
done.
Very good. 365 days.
Ma'am, done.
I'm done.
Okay. How much time is left? Only 4 minutes are left. Okay. Children, all of you have done, or somebody's,
Yes, ma'am.
few of you are still doing?
I'm done.
Wait, let me
Ma'am,
just
done.
share. Let me just share the link of my next class. Then I'll write the next one.
And what about the third point?
Third point? Which third point, beta?
Ma'am, we have written 2 points of grading and calendar. So we have got.
No, we have written 3 points.
Yes, ma'am.
We have written 3 points. Who is saying we've written 2 points? Let me just send you all the 3 points, beta. Please check your work properly. See, it is in the chat box once again. Check all the 3 points. It is also known as the Western or Christian calendar. It is a solar calendar divided into 12 months. It is based on the time taken by the Earth to complete one revolution around the Sun. Written this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's write one last point about this calendar. After every 4 years, no, just erase this point, beta. Erase this point. Before this point, we are going to write all months have either 30 or 31 days.
Ma'am, but
Only,
February
wait,
doesn't have
beta, wait, I'm completing it. Only February has 28 days.
Ma'am, done.
Done?
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Now children, let's leave it till here only because the next point you will not be able to complete it. Fine. Otherwise, I'm just telling you, I'm just speaking out the next point. After every 4 years, February has one additional day and that year is called a leap year. Okay,
Ma'am,
that's
I have read this in book and I have underlined this point.
very
book.
nice. Very good. Because all of us
Ma'am,
know that after every 4 years, it is a leap year. And a leap year, how many days are there in a leap year? How many days are there?
369 days. 66.
Very nice. Now children, it's time for your next class. It's 8:10. Go and join the next link, beta. All of you. I'm ending the meeting here.
Ma'am, it is 20. Ma'am, it is 28.